This evening, we are all set to see many people's dreams shaping and turning into a reality. We are now moving towards the most happening part of this evening, which is the Nutraceutical and Health Awards 2019. Well, these awards are designed to recognize the best of the best for their outstanding and exemplary performance over the years. It's not every day that we get to meet such brilliant people on the same platform. So I think before we actually take this evening any further, let's have a big round applause in the house. Ladies and gentlemen, the awards are a unique opportunity to have your company recognized by the leaders in the healthcare sector, and it helps to raise the profile of your exclusive revolutions with the leading health professionals and industry VIPs. Before commencing the awards, I would like to invite Dr. Deepak Sawant and Dr. Monica Sood Bhatia to kindly come upon the stage for doing the honors. All right, ladies and gentlemen. And the first category is company with the most trusted product range in nutrition and the growth. And we have the winner's name along with the shining trophy that is already placed. I'll be urging both of you to kindly do the honors collectively.
And the award goes to Mother's Horlicks, Horlicks Growth and Horlicks Protein from GSK.
Congratulations to the winners for the rightest deserving award. The next category is emerging brand in wellness, Derma, and the winner is
And the award goes to Purodil.
Can we have a thunder round applause for all the winners? Congratulations. The next category is for the best brand for excellence in sports nutrition, and the award goes to
And the award goes to QNT Sports.
Can we have a round of applause for all the winners so far, ladies and gentlemen? This evening is only going to get more exhilarating and more scintillating. The next category is the best gym equipment, cardio and strength, and the winner is
And the award goes to India Fitness Connect Private Limited, distributor of Precor.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, they say that the passion to achieve, the desire to be different, and the drive to excel are some of the key essentials of any exceptional performance. The next category is Emerging Nutraceutical Company, and the winner is
And the award goes to GMN Healthcare.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, they say that winners do not quit and quitters do not win. The next category is for excellence in innovative formulations, nutraceutical, and wellness who refuse to give up or to quit. And the winner is
And the award goes to MaxCure Nutravedics Limited.
Well, moving forward, the next category is most trusted clinical nutrition brand, and the winner is
And the award goes to Peptamin from Nestle.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next category is most trusted range of brands in herbal healthcare, which happens to be my favorite. And the winner is.
And the award goes to Sannat Products Limited.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a thunder and a massive round of applause with a lot of energy in the house? While moving forward, the next award is Most Innovative Nutraceutical Product of the Year, extremely prestigious award of this evening. And the winner is.
And the award goes to Protisol from Ambrosia Nutrition.
Awards. And the next category is Best Protein Snack of the Year. We all love snacking and munching. Let's figure out which is the winner in this category.
And the award goes to Max Protein.
Can we have a huge, humongous, massive round of applause for them, ladies and gentlemen? The next category certainly looks very promising and sounds interesting, and the category is Advanced Quality Isolate Protein Brand. Let's find out who's the winner.
And the award goes to Meta Pure.
Well, the next category is extremely imperative, and it is Emerging Brand in Protein Snacks, and the winner is.
And the award goes to GRD Bix and GRD Bix Light Biscuits from Zydus Nutriva.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want a lot of energy in the house. Can we have a big round of applause for all the winners? It's not every day that we all get to meet or greet all of us together on the same platform. We keep on striving day in and day out only to be recognized and to be acknowledged. So I think that surely deserves a lot of energy and a lot of recognition from you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next category is Innovative Manufacturer in Nutrition Supplements.
And the award goes to Indo Rama Engineers.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, the next category is Natural Immuno Boosting Brand of the Year.
And the award goes to Ratna Prash from Dabur.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, they say that when you have the right leadership, you know you're bound to be successful. The next category is indeed, again, very imperative for the fastest growing pharma company mid-segment, and the winner is.
And the award goes to Ambit Biomedics.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, they say that to be the change, you got to be one. The next category is Emerging Brand of the Year in Probiotics, and the winner is.
And the award goes to Active Kids Biotics Junior from Cipla Limited.
Wow, congratulations! Can we have some round applause for them? All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we all adore and absolutely love celebrities, but the people whose ideation goes into it, they are not often recognized, they're not often seen. It's time to understand who are the real experts. The next category is Celeb Expert Fitness Transformer of the Year, and the winner is.
And the award goes to Mr. Vinod Channa.
Can we have a big round of applause for Mr. Vinod Channa? What a charming smile, I must say. No wonder all celebrities must be loving you so much. Congratulations, sir. The next category is Innovative Pediatric Nutraceutical Brand, and the winner is.
And the award goes to Quista Kids from Himalaya.
Woo! The next category is indeed very, very special. It's for the Fitness Entrepreneur of the Year. And it's time to unveil who is the rock star of this evening for one of the most special and prestigious award.
And the award goes to Prabodh Davkre.
Well, the next category is Protein Supplement of the Year. And the winner is.
And the award goes to Resource High Protein from Nestle.
Can we have a big round of applause for Nestle, please? We have all the intelligent minds in one frame. Very well deserved, sir. Congratulations to all of you, to the entire team. Please do, please do.
Thank you, Sims Medica, for this recognition. It feels great. I would like to thank people who are here who make these brands great. You know, we are just on the receiving end, but you are the ones who make these brands great by prescribing it, using it for your patient. Thank you, all of you, right there. Thanks a lot.
All right, the next category is Trusted Brand of the Year.
And the award goes to Neurobion from Procter & Gamble Health Limited.
Well, the next award happens to be extremely special, very, very iconic for all the right reasons. I'm sure he needs no personal introduction. We all know him. We all have seen him all over social media doing absolutely outstanding work, extremely talented. The award for Celebrity of the Year, Nutrition and Fitness. And we are going to unveil the very special personality amongst us who's extremely, extremely captivating, charming, surreal. And my heart is skipping a beat right now. It's time to find out who is the celebrity person we are going to recognize for the Celebrity of the Year in Nutrition and Fitness.
The award goes to Bollywood actor Harshvardhan Rane.
Woo! Congratulations. Harshvardhan, I'm not going to leave you without saying few words. I'm sure we all have been waiting for hours to take a glance of you, so it's not fair on our part if you just go just like that.
Good evening, everyone. Mr. Vinod Channa, who just got an award over here, trains me from the last 5 years. I started working in South film industry, then I did my first film here in 2016 called Sanam Teri Kasam, and I knew John Abraham since 2004 when I used to be a delivery boy. I'd gone to deliver a helmet to him. So when I became an actor, the first person, obviously, I went to ask for an advice was him. And I went to him before my first film, and I asked him, sir, मुझे थोड़ा बोला गया है थोड़ा सा weight कम करने के लिए और to be a little presentable. So he sent me to Vinod sir. And since then, I've just been going to him. One of the most honest people, very earnest and very simple. तो जब मैं आया था तो जो panel discussions चल रहे थे, it's really an honor to be sitting here and listening to all the experts speak, and I really enjoyed it. It was really comprehensive, and thank you for this event. Thank you, sir, for coming and supporting this event, and it's really good for people who want to come, share, and absorb some knowledge. Thank you so much, thank you.
I must say you've got a very charming aura. No wonder people seem to be not getting over you. Thank you so much for being here this evening, Harshvardhan. Absolute pleasure to hear from you. The next and the final award goes in the category Popular Gym of the Year.
And the award goes to Reset.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the final and the last award in this evening. Let's give them a massive thunder round of applause. All right, I'll be urging sir to kindly speak few words.
Sims Medica, Madam MD Madam, all the guest dignitaries of the dais, ladies and gentlemen. Sims is close to my heart because in 1978 I started my medical practice. There were no internets at that time. No information was given. At that time, the SIM was a helping hand to us. On our table, the SIMS is always there to guide the patient, to guide the dosages, to give the indication, contraindication about the drugs. And this is really, they have done a wonderful job. And today the panel discussion was an excellent discussion. Rightly, they have said that obesity is the biggest enemy of the today. Unfortunately, we tried to say that the obesity is a disease, but unfortunately, WHO, World Health Organization, didn't accept that definition. So if the obesity could have been a disease, then all the doors were open for them. One of the problem is child obesity. Somebody from the panel, she talked about the child obesity. And it is definitely a marking thing in our life. because the parents are most worried about the children obesity. At one time, we can see the India is in the hunger rank. Second time, we are talking about the nutrition and diet. Zero figure we are talking about. Unfortunately, there are the children who are the malnourished children. So I want to urge the people, those who are here, try to cultivate the things, the food for the malnourished children of Maharashtra and India. Because the malnourishment is a greater problem than anybody else today, which I am seeing in my last 10 years. Because the child deaths, infant mortality, these are the things which can be covered. Second thing is a pregnant woman. Because she was talking to me, this is a woman power now. Everybody, whatever they have received the awardees, the most of them were females. It's really in its kind that the woman power is now establishing. There were 3 women and myself was standing in between them. So woman power is there. So basically for the pregnant woman, those who have got in the, those stays in the villages and the remote part of the Maharashtra, what they should eat during the pregnancy. I will tell you that there should be a tongue-tested food. What you call is a tongue-tested food is what is their liking, what they like, whether they like sattu, where they like the soya beans product, whatever. So try to cultivate that product in your company and give it to us as a government, and we will be happy. The same should go to the remote places of Maharashtra, ma'am. And I will help you out that in the villages, every doctor should have the SIMS on their table so that he can guide their patient very easily and they can give the most good knowledge about the medicine. Yeah. Thank you so much for calling me here, and congratulations to all the awardees. And next time also, I look forward that I will be called here as a chief guest, and you will be, the more awardees will be there to receive the prizes from my hand. Thank you so much.
Well, I'll be inviting very firstly Miss Monica Sood Bhatia along with Sir for clicking pictures with all our deserving awardees this evening. Can we have a round of applause for Dr. Monica Sood Bhatia once again? Along with Alok Sharma, Assistant Vice President, CIMS, Medica. Can we have all the winners on the stage, please? We would love to take these precious moments to carry forward in the memory lane. Can we have a picture of all the winners, please? If some of you can sit down so we can have a perfect picture covering all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for all the awardees, for all the dignitaries on the stage, for gracing and beautifying this very, very special evening with their presence. This evening would not have been possible or complete without them.